Hi, how are you today? Today we're going to talk one more time about things that have parts. Hola, ¿cómo están? Hoy hablamos una vez más sobre cosas que tienen partes. Last time we talked about words and we talked about the smallest part of a word. La última vez hablamos sobre palabras y la parte más pequeña de una palabra. Do you remember what it was? The smallest part of a word is a letter. La parte más pequeña de una palabra es una letra. Today we're going to talk about words again, but we're going to talk about bigger parts. Hoy hablamos sobre palabras otra vez, pero hablamos sobre partes más grandes. When we notice word parts, it helps us read and understand better. Cuando nos damos cuenta a las partes de palabras más grandes, podemos leer mejor y entender mejor. And that's what we want, right? We want to read and understand. So let's take a look at some word parts. Y eso es lo que queremos, ¿verdad? Queremos leer y entender. Entonces ya vamos a ver algunas partes de palabras. Listo. Here are the sentences we're going to use today as we look at word parts. Aquí son las oraciones que vamos a usar hoy cuando miramos las partes de palabras. I notice. I notice words have parts. Me doy cuenta que las palabras tienen partes. Is a part of es una parte de. Ok, vamos a ver la primera ejemplo. Here is the word looking. Say it. Looking. En español es mirando. This word has two big parts. Esta palabra tiene dos partes grandes. Can you see them? Watch. Look. Say it. Look. Miro. Ing. Say it. Ing. En español sería ando. Mirando. Mirando. One word, two parts. Una palabra, dos partes. Now, this part, look, is a word all by itself. Esta parte, miro, es una palabra. I look out the window. Miro por la ventana. When I add the ing, I am looking out the window. Estoy mirando por la ventana. Look is whenever. Miro es en cualquier momento. I look out the window. Miro por la ventana. Looking es ahorita. It's right now. Estoy mirando por la ventana. I am looking out the window. Okay, so look is a part of looking. Ing is a part of looking. When I notice parts of words, it helps me read. Cuando me doy cuenta de las partes de las palabras, me ayuda a leer. Let's look at another example. Vamos a ver otro ejemplo. This word says reading. Reading has two big parts. Can you find the two big parts in reading? You're right. Read, ing. Reading. Those are the two big parts. Read is a part of reading. Ing is a part of reading. I read a book. Leo un libro. I am reading a book. Estoy leyendo un libro. Read is anytime. I read a book. Leo un libro. Reading is right now. Estoy leyendo un libro. Right now, ahorita. Okay. When I notice parts of words, it helps me read. Now we know this ing part. It's a part of a word that means you're doing it right now. See if you can think of some other words where you can find the two big parts. You can look in your books. I think you can find some words with ing, with the big part ing. Okay, ustedes pueden buscar en sus libros esta parte ing. Yo creo que sí pueden encontrar palabras con ing. It's a big part and it will help you read and understand your books. Son partes grandes de palabras y van a ayudar a ustedes a entender y leer mejor. See you next time. Good work.